everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen not responding to touches on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so remove screen protector. After remove screen protector, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.